How to add a screen time widget on your home screen for your Infinix smartphone. Your Infinix smartphone has widgets, and to get there, you will long press a blank area on your home screen and you're going to look for the widgets icon down here. A single tap will take you to these here, and once you're in this area, just go down looking for digital well-being right there. When you enter here, you'll most likely see just one widget, which is the screen time one here, and then of course just press add to desktop. When you do this, it's going to load for you and it'll probably just show you how long you've been on your smartphone so far. Now, if you want to get more view of what's really going on your phone, long press the widget like this here, select the resize option, and you will be able to get a better view of what else you've been on. And you can see more items here displaying how long you've been on each app and plus how long you've been on the screen itself, okay? And of course, if you don't want this sometime in the future, long press it again, press remove, and it's going to be gone. And if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.